Kern County this evening is gearing up for a fight with the state of California over its relationship with Hall Ambulance Company. State officials say that the county cannot grant Hall Ambulance a monopoly contract.
The state's legal challenge would affect 4 Kern County ambulance companies, but Hall Ambulance would have the most to lose given its coverage of the highest populated areas of the county. Investigative reporter Kyle Harvey joins us now with the latest on this developing story. Kyle.
Well, Dave Rochelle, this is a feud that's been going on for many years between Kern County and the state's Emergency Medical Services Authority. It's uncharted territory in the legal world. No county has ever appealed the state authority on this kind of issue, but it'll all be settled next month by a judge in LA. Kern County is readying now for a court date next month in Los Angeles that will determine whether it violated state law when it awarded exclusive contracts to Hall Ambulance and 4 other much smaller companies on the outer edges of the county. Right now, Hall Ambulance is the only ambulance company authorized to serve the area that we've shaded in red, where most of Kern's population lives. 4 other companies have the area that's still shaded in gray. But the State Emergency Medical Services Authority says Kern can't do that, writing in a letter to the county that, quote, "A resolution by the Board of Supervisors cannot grant exclusivity," and that exclusivity without a competitive process established by a local county ordinance cannot be used to circumvent state law. But County Attorney Gurujoda Kulsa plans to reason that Kern's system was legally grandfathered in, and the state does not have the authority to intervene.
No rules, no regulations, no guidelines, no authority to enforce.
The other prong of the county's argument will be that if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Despite a recent county report critical of Hall Ambulance response times, Kulsa says Hall has served Kern well for a long time.
Their performance heretofore has been, my understanding, has been good to outstanding. The last 6 months have demonstrated some areas of concern, and the department has addressed those.
And these issues go before an administrative law judge in the LA area March 13th. I'm told whatever that judge rules will be final. This is the last appeal. The county says they'll read and follow the judge's orders. We'll be making sure to follow along the process. Live in studio, Kyle Harvey.